Coming to you from a secret desert location, it's Congoleum Corner, featuring Congoleum's National Installation Specialist and CFI Resilient Certifier, Joe Sia.
Today I'd like to continue our conversation about subfloor prep and as it relates to existing floor products. In other words, customer has sheet goods or LVT, carpet, what is acceptable to cover and what is not. Okay? So specifically for Congoleum products, you're either going to be a full spread, a perimeter adhere, or a floating application of our products. When you're looking at an existing floor covering, well, it has to be fully adhered single layer. Okay? So specifically, resilient products glued down with no loose spots. If it's sheet goods, you can't have peaked seams. You're going to have to deal with those. Any kind of curvatures at the wall need to be cut out and flattened with a patch compound. Ceramic tile, of course, you're looking for loose spots, loose tiles. They should be remortared. We do not cover any existing carpet. That has to be removed. So other than that, when you do remove carpet, you're going to have to do a hand scrape on the existing glue if it's a glue down carpet. So a single layer, fully adhered, will accept either a full spread application or a perimeter application or a loose lay application. Okay. The reason single layer is required because as we go up in layers, we're going to have indentation problems with furniture and whatever on top of the new floor. Okay. So it's just not a single layer that's acceptable. You have to check to make sure you don't have a no stick wear layer, and a lot of products in the field today do. I've got a couple of Congoleum products here. This is an example of Air Step. This is an example of Clio. We also have Dora Ceramic. These products are infused with Scotch Guard. There are other products in the marketplace that have no stick surfaces, like Armstrong's Clean Sweep, for example. You're not going to get adhesive or patch to stick to those. So the first thing is, how do you identify on the job site whether your customer has a no stick surface? Well, it's going to be hard to find that out in the traffic areas, especially if the product's a few years old, because of scuffing and scratching or whatever. So what you need to do is go to either a closet or a perimeter area. A non-invasive test would certainly be just to take a little bit of water on the surface with a spray bottle and see if it beads up. If you can keep the water together, that would mean that the non-stick is not there. But if it balls up, and you can see with this, it'll fall off flat on the ground, you should be able to kind of tell that the surface is non-stick. More evasive would be taking a magic marker, like a Sharpie, and finding a small area on the floor, and you can possibly, I'm not sure that's coming through, but you can see that I'm having a hard time getting that marker to do anything on that product. So no stick surface, the marker would barely get on the floor at all. It would kind of like bead out, and a dry rag, you should be able to just remove it from where you put it. So that's an indicator that you have a surface that you cannot stick to. Okay? So what do you do then? Obviously, that either has to be pulled up or encapsulated. So if it's, in other words, if it's on OSB or wood substrate, you could cover it with 1/4-inch plywood. If it's on concrete, again, you're going to have to pull it up. We don't recommend sanding of existing really resilient floors because of the safety factor with dust in the air and all that. But you can install a loose lay, click together vinyl plank such as Congoleum's Traversa Prime over a non-stick surface because you're loose laying. Okay, now we don't recommend, again, these click together loose lays should not be installed over carpet at all, although I have seen or heard of people doing that. If you pull up carpet and there's glue on the floor, if you're loose laying, that glue should be scraped up and encapsulated. Okay, you don't want that glue to be sticking to the bottom of the loose lay product. So there's your criteria. I hope that was helpful. Remember, single layer, fully adhered, no loose spots, Make sure you don't have this no-stick surface. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. I'm Joe Sia. We'll see you next time.
For questions, check Congoleum.com anytime or call 609-584-3805. Thanks for watching.